When a student decides to chase a dream, whether it's an MBA, BTech, NEET, or even a skill course, it's not just their decision, it's a family decision. Because it's not just about studying, it's about fees, forms, finances, and above all, who you can trust with that responsibility. And that's exactly why we made this particular video, to show you not just how Propelld works, but why so many families across India trust us. Let's be honest, for most parents, the word loan feels heavy. Collateral, property, paperwork, waiting, worry. Banks ask for documents most families don't even have. They want ITRs, salaries, perfect credit scores, and even then they might say no, especially if your child isn't going to an IIT or an IIM. That's where so many dreams get delayed or even worse, dropped. That's exactly why Propelld was created. We're not a bank. We're a fintech company focused only on education loans and Propelld processes. Education loan through its fully owned subsidiary, Agro Finance Private Limited, EFPL, and RBI-registered NBFC. This ensures all loans are disbursed in compliance with RBI regulations and financial guidelines. And we believe a student's background should never stop their future. So we built a system that works for their real families, no collateral in most cases, faster approvals usually in 2 to 3 days. And eligibility that doesn't exclude you just because your parents are farmers or small shopkeepers. And it's not just one student. Over 4 lakh students across India, from metro cities to rural villages, have taken their next step with Propelld. We work with 4,000 colleges, coaching centers, and edtech platforms, including Tier 1 universities, and Propelld present across 10,000 plus pin codes, pan-India covering 28 states and 8 union territories. So covering private colleges in Tier 2 and 3 towns, coaching hubs like PW, Akash, Allen, and even upskilling institutes for skill-based courses. People often ask us, what if we don't have salary slips? What if a relative, not a parent, wants to support the student? We understand that's why Propelld accepts family friends or relatives as co-applicants with basis KYC. Informal incomes like farming, shopkeeping, freelance work as well. And repayment options like interest-only EMIs while the student is still in college. Because we know support looks different in every family. And when we ask parents why they chose Propelld over a bank, the answers are really heartfelt. They didn't ask for collateral. They didn't judge our background. They explained everything clearly. They were fast and they cared. That's what trust sounds like. So if you're a student with big goals or a parent with big hopes, know this. You don't have to risk your home to pay for your child's future. You don't need to wait in bank lines or chase endless paperwork. And you're not alone in this. We are here and we are listening. In this series, you can see how to actually apply for a Propelld loan step by step. No jargon, no confusion. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you don't miss answers to the questions you didn't even know you had. Ready to apply? Visit propelld.com or connect with our support team for one-to-one guidance. Not ready yet? Save this playlist and come back when you are. We'll be right here.